Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own OpenAI API key step by step. It's quick, simple, and you'll be ready to use it in your projects in just a few minutes. First, head over to platform.openai.com, but to save time, you can directly visit this link, platform.openai.com/account/API keys. Here, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account. If you don't already have one, just create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the API keys section. Click on the button that says Create New Secret Key. You can give your key a name for easy reference and then hit Create. Your API key is now created. Make sure to copy it right away and keep it safe, because you won't be able to view it again once you close the pop-up. And that's it! You've successfully created your OpenAI API key. Now you can use it in your apps, scripts, or integrations. You can also use it in Hugging Face app deployments as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.